Johan dosto, welcome back to your YouTube channel Shastrii. Today we are going to discuss the salary structure of Mahagenco. Mahagenco stands for Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited. As you guys already know that Mahagenco has started the recruitment process for Chemist Cadre. Okay, Chemist Cadre stands for basically in Chemist Cadre there are multiple posts. For example, junior chemist, assistant chemist, executive chemist, deputy executive chemist. That many things are there. This is basically a raw Excel. I choose assistant chemist pay group 2 as a reference. You can change the post accordingly and you will end up with the actual salary of that post. Okay. If you change this pay scale according to the post, then everything will be changed. Okay. Now this is basically a formula based Excel. If you want this Excel, this is available in the Telegram channel of Prashant Shastrii in free of cost. Okay. You just need to change this pay scale value here. Okay. Basic pay you have to change and accordingly everything will be calculated and you will get to know that what will the total earning and what will the net salary. Okay, now let's discuss the assistant chemist pay group 2 post fund. The pay scale of assistant chemist pay group 2 is basically 58,000 rupees 225,280. Okay, now this is your pay scale. Now basic pay, you have to get the basic pay by adding this figure and this figure. So basic pay will become around your 61,140 rupees. Now idea of Maharashtra government is 30,000 rupees, that is 50% of your basic. HRA HRA component is very important. Okay, suppose you are posted in Mumbai and you are not living in the quarters of Mahagenco, then you will get this HRA. But suppose you are posted in Mumbai but you are staying in the quarters of Mahagenco, then you will not get this HRA portion. This is very important portion. Okay, now there is a compensatory local allowance, electricity charges allowance, special compensatory allowance, transport allowance, entertainment reimbursement, book reimbursement. Multiple earnings are there. So for pay group 2, the total earning will become around 1,11,000. Okay, this income tax is basically as per the new income tax rule. This gross income, that is per annum income of assistant chemist group 2 post, crosses 12 lakh threshold figure. That's why you have to pay the hefty taxes. So income tax, then pension fund, then NPS, then other deduction. So my net salary will become around 78,000. Very decent salary. 80,000 का net home पे आपको मिलता है. Now in this video, I will also show you one of the pay slip of this Mahagenco company. Okay, I get it from various sources. Okay, now suppose you want to know the salary structures of other group. So you just let me show you first. You just change. You just need to change this figure. Suppose you want the salary structure of junior chemist. So for junior chemist, around 47,000 is the basic pay. So just write 47,000 here. Accordingly, salary will change. 47,000. Enter, salary will change. So net salary will become 58,000. This will also change because for the junior chemist post, gross salary is 10 lakh. So you don't have to pay any income tax. So approximately 68,000 salary will be there. Okay. Now let me show you the pay slip. This is the pay slip. This is the pay slip of September 2024. Now this is the pay slip of someone whose basic pay is 58,660 rupees. So you will get to know that these are the allowances, these are the deductions, and net take home pay is 79, approximately 80,000 rupees. Okay, so this is your basic things regarding the salary structure. Aspirants, if you want more about the Mahagenco, what is the job criteria? What will be the job of the chemist? Okay, let me know in the comment section. We will tell you that. Till then, stay tuned to Rashad YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.